Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore GraphQL caching with Apollo client in React Native, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have the necessary packages installed in your React Native project. Install Apollo client by running the command npm install @apollo/client. Next, install the required dependencies for GraphQL, specifically GraphQL. Import the necessary modules in your main application file. This typically includes Apollo provider and create HTTP link. Set up the Apollo client by creating an instance of Apollo client. In this instance, define the URI pointing to your GraphQL endpoint. Then, configure the cache by importing in-memory cache from Apollo client. Instantiate the cache using the in-memory cache class. Ensure to pass this cache instance when creating your Apollo client. Wrap your application with Apollo provider, passing in the Apollo client instance as a prop. Now, create a custom hook to manage your queries with caching. This hook can utilize the useQuery hook provided by Apollo client. In this custom hook, ensure you handle loading and error states. Once you have the data, utilize the useEffect hook to refresh the cache if necessary. When fetching data, leverage specific cache policies like fetch policy. Setting this policy to cache first can optimize the performance. If you need to manually update the cache, use the write query method. This allows you to modify cached data directly. For more complex scenarios, consider using optimistic responses. These responses can enhance the user experience by providing immediate feedback. Make sure to test your implementation thoroughly. Monitor the cache behavior by utilizing Apollo client dev tools. With everything set up, run your React Native application. Check for successful data fetching and caching in the console. Fine-tune your caching strategy as needed for the best performance. This approach should restore GraphQL caching with Apollo client effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.